Hey, can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so let us continue here.
Mm.
Okay, so here, have a conversation with your teacher. So the challenge here, what would you do if there were no more tickets available for the show that you wanted to see? Okay, so you are gonna ask about the following: Lion King, schedule, ticket booth, food inside the theater, and a snack bar. So what you are gonna do if do you think there were no more tickets available for the show that you wanted? What would you do if there were no more tickets available for the show that you wanted to see?
I think I have to find the ticket form I buy and then I go to snack bar to successful and eat and then I go inside to enjoy the performers.
Okay, so what will you do if there were no more tickets available or the show that you waited? What you will gonna do? You will gonna ask,
Ask the staff.
okay, you will gonna ask the staff when will be the next schedule. That's the least thing you can do. Do not be get mad. Do not be angry. All you have to do is to ask the staff. Okay, so this one. Okay. Okay, next we have here, okay, bad service. Okay, what do you mean by bad service, Tona, when teacher asked you, what is bad service for you?
I think the service in there is worse or is very bad actually.
Okay, so it becomes bad service if, what do you think? What makes the service becomes bad? What makes the service becomes bad?
I think something made they angry or they don't know how to um uh,
It makes the service bad when?
uh
When?
when when the when the customer had do something made the waiter angry and or the service but don't know how to control their angry.
Okay, so it makes the service bad if you
Yes.
feel you're complaining, or if you're not doing good to the customers, or you're not preparing things for the customers, that makes it bad. Okay, how might you complain if the service that you received from your waiter was bad? How will you do it? Or what will you gonna say? Example, you eat in the restaurant and you did not receive good service. What you will gonna do? Or what you will gonna say?
Uh, thinking, mm, is overdo or have to preference better don't be like this. I think so.
Okay. So how much? What will you gonna say? Example, you eat and you did not receive good service. It's bad, very bad. What will you say to the waiter?
I think don't do it. Hey, please.
Okay. Okay. Like you will say, please do not do it again. Okay. You have to make your service good. Okay. So the customers won't leave you. That's good, right? Because if your service is bad, of course, the customer will not like it. What do you think? Is it correct, Tono? That if the service is bad, the customers will not go back again? Tono?
Um,
Example, I dine in the restaurant and I did not receive good service. Will I go back again or no?
you know, and then I think no.
Okay. So of course, somehow we probably be bad or be mad whenever the customers, I mean, the waiter is not giving us good service because we pay. That's very important. We pay, Tono. Okay? So Tono, we don't have enough time. So teacher N will see you when. When are you available? Wednesday, 8 p.m. and what else? Saturday, 8 p.m. Is that okay?
Saturday 8 p.m.
Oh,
I
8 p.m.
think Thursday 8 p.m. teacher.
Again, what day?
Thursday 8 p.m.
Tomorrow? Oh, I have
Yes.
teacher has a class tomorrow at 8 p.m.
Uh,
Friday.
Friday
Ay,
8 p.m.
wait ha. I will check, wait ha. Because, wait. Muban. Muban is me. Did me and you still texted? Oh, I have, wait. Friday, 7 p.m. Is that okay?
I have busy in Friday evening because I have a literature class.
Okay. Sunday. Or Saturday morning. Are you okay? Saturday morning.
Saturday morning,
Mhm.
uh, I have go to the market in my school.
Okay. And Sunday morning.
Monday morning, I have class to teacher. I think 8 p.m. Saturday.
Saturday, 8 p.m.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, I will see you Saturday, 8 p.m. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Tono. Bye-bye. Good night.
Good
Okay,
night,
I
teacher.
will fix the schedule. I mean, I will fix the mic, the camera, ha? Okay, bye-bye. Good night, Tono.
Good night, teacher.